Bonjour et bienvenue. J'espère que tous les mots est bon. Welcome to Français Bleu. Today we'll be learning how to conjugate ER verbs, the simplest of them all. So we'll focus on three things. 1. What conjugation is. 2. Conjugation rules for each pronoun. And 3. A few examples of ER verbs. Let's start with defining conjugation. Well, conjugation is the change made to a verb in terms of its tense or the pronoun that you use that verb in. For example, let's take the verb to break. To break can be changed or conjugated to break, as in I break, he breaks, we broke, depending on the tense used and the pronoun. Now let's see the conjugation rules for ER verbs. Remember though that not all ER verbs follow this rule, but most ER verbs do. Such verbs as aller, for example, don't follow this rule, as we have already discussed. When conjugating for ER verbs, we take the infinitive and remove the last ER from that infinitive. And then for je, we are gonna add an E at the end. For tu, we're gonna add an ES at the end. For il, elle, and on, we are gonna add an E at the end. For vous, we're gonna get an EZ. For nous, we are gonna add O and S. And for il, elle, pluriel, we are gonna add ENT. Let's take an example, parler, which is a verb which means to speak. When we conjugate it following the ER verb rules, it's gonna be je parle, tu parles, il, elle, on parle, vous parlez, nous parlons, il, elle, pluriel, parle.